Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Stylish and functional coffee table design ideas can transform the aesthetics and usability of your home's living spaces. One popular choice is the lift top coffee table, which combines elegance with practicality by offering a hidden storage compartment beneath the tabletop that can be raised for a comfortable workspace for dining area for those seeking a touch of glamour. Mirrored coffee tables reflect light and create an air of sophistication while also providing a surface for displaying decorative items. Nesting coffee tables are a versatile option, allowing you to expand or contract your table space as needed. They can be arranged in various configurations to accommodate guests or create extra room for activities. Additionally, minimalist and modern coffee tables with clean lines and materials like glass, metal, or acrylic contribute to a contemporary ambiance, especially in similar space where visual lightness is essential. For a rustic or industrial vibe, reclaimed wood or metal coffee tables add warmth and character. Some designs incorporate wheels, making it easy to move the table as needed. Lastly, multifunctional table coffee with brittle shafts or drawers help keeping the living area organized and clutter free. These designs not only enhance the overall look of your home but also improve functionality, making your living spaces more inviting and efficient. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.